Today, we will be looking at question 4A from the May 2017 Csec Mathematics Paper 2 examination. The function f is defined as f of x is 1/3 x minus 2. This question requires us to find the value of f of 3 plus f of negative 3. 2. Calculate the value of x for which f of x is equal to 5. And 3. Determine the inverse function of f of x. Let us begin. Part 1 requires us to find the value of f of 3 plus f of negative 3. You may pause the video at this time and attempt the question. Great job. Let us see if your answer is the same as ours. We know that f of x is 1/3 x minus 3. To find f of 3, we are going to replace x with 3 in the function f. By doing this, our input value is 3. Therefore, f of 3 is negative 1. Now that we have found f of 3, let us find f of negative 3. To find f of 3, we are going to replace x with negative 3. Therefore, we are going to plug negative 3 into the function f, which gives f of negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Now that we have found f of 3 and f of negative 3, we are going to take the sum of both functions. Now, f of 3 plus f of negative 3 is equal to, recall that f of 3 is negative 1 and f of negative 3 is negative 3. Therefore, negative 1 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 4. Did you get negative 4 for your answer? Fantastic. Let us look at the next question. In this part of the question, it says that we are going to calculate the value of x for which the function f of x is equal to 5. You may pause the video at this time and attempt the question. Great job. Let us see if our answers are the same. So we were given that the function f of x is 1/3 x minus 2. We are required to find f of x, which is equal to 5. Here we are given our output value, which is 5, and we are required to find our input value. We know that f of x is 1/3 x minus 2. So in order to find x, we are going to equate 1/3 x minus 2 is equal to 5 and transpose for x. This will give us 1/3 x minus 2 equals to 5. So step 1, we are going to add 2 to both sides. By doing this, we will have 1/3 x plus 7. Step 2, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3, which gives x is equal to 21. Therefore, when x is 21, y is equal to 5. Did you get x equal to 21 for your answer? Excellent. Let us look at the third part of this question, where we are required to determine the inverse function of f. You may pause the video at this time and attempt the question. Here we are given the function f of x is 1/3 x minus 2. We can rewrite this function as x divided by 3 minus 2. Please note that the function f of x, 2x, we divided 3, then minus 2. So in order to find the inverse of the function, we will 2x add 2, then multiply 3. This will give us the inverse function f of x is 3 times x plus 2. We can distribute using the 3 to multiply each term within the parentheses. So 3 times x gives 3x, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Therefore, the inverse of the function f of x is 3x plus 6. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.